Hi everyone, it's Kerry here. I hope you're having a good day. I haven't done any videoing for a couple of weeks because I've been rearranging my craft room, but I really wanted to stop today, even though I've still got stuff everywhere, and show you February 2023 mystery box from Sue at Paper Inspirations. I'll put the link in below, and so in case you want to buy a box or any of the previous boxes, because I think there might be still some available. So let's get started. As usual, beautiful collage on the front of the box. And as I always mention, Sue always tries to make the box so that just about everything in the box can be reused. There's the letter that we all get from Sue. I'll read that later. I'll just put the box over to the side. Okay. Some yummy marshmallows and some grapefruit tea. Oh, grapefruit organic green tea, yummo. Okay. So let's start with the first one. So, nice little canvas bag. I hope I'm in screen. Canvas bag. Just snip this so I can reuse the tissue. Oh, I know I've got lots of this tissue now, but can't help myself. Oh, that's lovely. A bookmark, and it's got a little dandelion blowy thing. Can't think what it's called. A dandelion, not the flower petal, it's the seed. Don't know if you can see that there. It's very pretty, so you can put that in your journal. Okay, put that off to the side. Okay, so now Sue always put some washi tape in. Oh, that's lovely. Oh wow. Oh, it's that's really pretty. It's got like it's not a straight edge washi tape. Oh, I want to get into that. That's stunning. It's gorgeous washi tape. It's got ruler numbers. Looks like a bit of Hessian and some script. So that looks like it's going to be a gorgeous washi tape. Okay. Oh, and a bit of confetti. We get confetti in our boxes, which is great. Okay. I'll try and open this without. And every month we get some fibre in our box. So this month is a bit of hand stitched sari silk. I think it's sari silk. Correct me if I'm wrong. In lovely, I think it's sage green colour. That's so pretty. Isn't that cute? I always wonder what to do with tassels. I've got some tassels, but I don't know what to do with them. There you go. So a bowl pin, a couple of beads, and the tassel in the middle. That just is so effective. Oh, but I'm going to have to cut that. It's not the way of doing it unless I sneak it outside. Can I sneak it? I don't know what it is. Okay, let's see. Ah, gonna sneak tassels. Actually, no, I'm can always cut this. Carefully, and then I can recut it. And then I can reuse it. Oh, look. More tassels. So we know what to do with them now. Awesome. Look at that. A lot of really pretty tassels. Lovely. Okay, that's the tassels. That's so nice. I love that. Okay. And we get a stamp each month. So that's a Uniquely Creative. It's called Floral Text. Well, that makes sense, doesn't it? So, yeah, go that way up, I think. That's a nice one. I hope it's not shining on the screen. That's a really nice one. They're a really good size, these stamps, because you can do them like there's little edges on your tag or whatever you're decorating. Okay, there's some more lovely yumminess. Oh no, this way. So just cut the top of that there nicely. So always make sure, because some of the boxes go overseas, but a lot of them go in the mail. Make sure that they're well sealed so nothing gets spilt everywhere. Oh, lovely. Look at these, beautiful. These are stickers. Gorgeous stickers. Oh, gee, they're nice. They look like what are they called? The slides. The old-fashioned negative film strips. Gee, they're pretty. Maybe another one. Okay, flowers, butterflies, more flowers, another bee. Gee, they're nice. These boxes are all nature themed, so if you like nature themed things, they're definitely for you if you haven't seen them before. There you go, some more really lovely things. Okay, and a handmade envelope. Gee, that's so effective. Looks like Sue's just embossed some gold stickers. Oh, lovely. More stickers. There. Roses. So these are stickers. They're lovely. Gee, they're pretty. It's a carnation. Mostly roses, but there's other pink flowers as well, all in pink. It's a lily of some type. Oh, I hope the glare isn't too strong. Look at that. I'll bring that up closer. You probably can't see it. Lovely roses. There you go. There's another. See if I can open this sticker. I mean this packet without wrecking the sticker. There we go. That's so pretty. Oh, they're gorgeous. It looks like that's a similar thing as well in there. Going to cover everything. So these are more stickers. They're like almost like it's a paper rather than a plastic sticker. I can't read that, but that almost looks like Lily of the Valley. Oh, that's cool. So they're like a specimen sticker. Item number, date, name, and locality. very cute. They would look lovely on any ephemera that you might be making. That's the layout. Looks like a wild rose. That's pretty. Some are a little bit more plain and some are a bit more, what's the word, not complex, but a bit more decorated already. So it depends on what kind of piece you want. Gee, they're nice. Lovely. Okay. Now, this is lovely. Now, I did see Sue making these bags. They're made out of brown paper, cooking paper stuff that you have in the kitchen. And she's just sewing them all together. So she's made a few of those. And then she's put these beautiful postcards in them. Oh, they're lovely. They're stunning. Absolutely gorgeous. Hope they're not out of the picture. Probably will be. Okay. Sue's mum needs a mention here. Sue's mum Lynn helps her make some of these, prepare some of these bags, some of the inserts for these bags. And I know for a fact that Sue's mum helped her cut out some of these dies. So thank you, Lynn, for all the hard work on these beautiful, beautiful die cuts of all these leaves. They're gorgeous. Look at them all. Oh, beautiful. So spoiled. They will come in so handy. And in the different colours, it's nice because we don't always have lots of different coloured things to put, like greens to put on, for example, to put on. You might just not have quite the right green, and green's such a hard colour to match. So it's nice to have different ones in your stash. And last but not least, look at that beautiful bundle. I don't want to undo the bundle. Looks like there's a gold doily, obviously, we can see that. And it looks like it's a bundle of beautiful coffee dyed patterned envelopes. So they're all envelopes of different sizes. There's 5 of them. And they're Sue's beautiful coffee dyed. Look at that. Isn't that lovely? I'm going to have to make some stuff with all my gorgeous items that I get in my box. So there we go. I'll move this out the way. So as per usual, sorry about my ruler there, that shows approximately where. Hope that's all visible. Lots of gorgeous stuff in Sue's From Paper Inspirations box of goodies for February 2023. And I will add the link for her shop to the bottom of my video. And hopefully I'll make some more of my own videos soon. Thanks so much for joining me, and I hope you have a lovely sunshiny day. Bye.